climate change is often described through images of storms, floods, and wildfires. But beneath these visible disruptions lies something more fundamental, a steady and systemic pressure on the resources that sustain human civilization. Food, water, the stability of the natural systems that feed and hydrate billions of people. Modern societies were built during a period of relatively stable climate conditions. Agricultural cycles were predictable. Water systems were reliable. Seasonal rhythms were familiar. That stability is now shifting. In this chapter, we move beyond extreme weather and examine how climate change is placing mounting pressure on the most basic foundations of human survival, food production, and water security. Because when these systems strain, everything else begins to follow. Climate change does not strike in isolation. It moves through systems. When temperatures rise, evaporation accelerates. When evaporation accelerates, soils dry. When soils dry, crop yields fall. When yields fall, markets react. A shift in rainfall is not merely a weather event. It is a signal that ripples through agriculture, food prices, and water availability. Modern food and water systems were designed around historical climate stability, predictable monsoons, seasonal snowmelt, reliable river flows. That predictability is now weakening. Climate change functions as a system shock. It exposes how tightly food production, water security, and economic stability are interconnected. This is not just environmental change. It is structural stress building quietly, but steadily, beneath the surface. Agriculture depends on climate stability more than any other major human system. Crops grow within narrow temperature thresholds. A small rise in average temperature can shorten growing seasons, reduce grain formation, and increase plant stress. Heat during flowering stages can sharply cut yields. Scientific assessments indicate that for every 1 degree Celsius increase in global temperature, yields of major staple crops decline measurably. Wheat, maize, rice, and soybean, the pillars of global nutrition, all show sensitivity to warming. At the same time, droughts intensify, rainfall becomes erratic, and pests expand into new regions. For billions who depend directly or indirectly on farming as producers, workers, or consumers, this is not an abstract risk. It is a shift in the reliability of the world's food base. Agriculture was calibrated to yesterday's climate. That calibration is now under pressure. Food security is about more than how much we grow. It is about stability, affordability, and access. When climate extremes reduce harvests, whether through drought, flood, or heat wave, the effects travel quickly through global markets. Grain exporting regions experience shortfalls. Import-dependent nations face rising costs. Prices react faster than production can recover. For low-income households, especially in developing economies, food often represents a large share of total expenditure. Even modest price increases can push families into food insecurity. Climate change increases volatility. It compresses the margin between surplus and shortage. And when multiple breadbasket regions are affected in the same season, price shocks can become global. Food markets are interconnected, but vulnerability is uneven. As climate pressures intensify, food security becomes not just an agricultural issue, but an economic and social stability concern. Water is the foundation beneath both agriculture and urban life. Climate change is altering the hydrological cycle, intensifying evaporation, shifting rainfall patterns, and reducing the reliability of snowmelt that feeds major rivers. Some regions face longer and more severe droughts. Others experience intense bursts of rainfall that overwhelm infrastructure but fail to replenish groundwater. Urban populations are growing rapidly, placing additional strain on already stressed water systems. Aquifers are being depleted faster than they are naturally recharged. In coastal regions, rising sea levels threaten freshwater supplies through saltwater intrusion. Water stress is not a distant risk. It is already visible in declining reservoirs, falling groundwater tables, and competition between agricultural and urban demand. As climate variability increases, water scarcity is becoming structural, not episodic. And when water systems strain, food production, health, and economic stability strain with them. In the previous section, we examined how climate change is placing mounting pressure on food production and water security, the foundational resources of human survival. But resource stress does not remain confined to farms and reservoirs. When food systems strain, health systems feel the impact. When water becomes scarce, poverty deepens. When coastlines erode and oceans warm, infrastructure and livelihoods are exposed. Climate change moves outward from ecological disruption to human systems. In this next section, we shift our focus from natural resource pressure to the institutions, cities, economies, and communities that must absorb that pressure. Because when environmental instability meets social complexity, the consequences extend far beyond the natural world. We now turn to how climate stress is reshaping human systems,